friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Today I will share delicious and easy crunchy sausage strip snack. Hope you like it. This snack recipe is easy to make at home. It's convenient as we can make it as and when we want to eat. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. We only need sausage for this recipe. Cover baking tray with aluminum foil. Wash the sausage and carefully cut it into strips with a peeler. You can buy sausages of your favorite flavor. I personally think black pepper tastes good. This is the perfect strips we want. Be careful when you peel the sausage, yeah. Drizzle cooking oil on aluminum foil. Spread sausage on top. Drizzle cooking oil. Send to oven and bake at 200 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. Baking duration to adjust per oven temperature. Flip halfway. Continue baking. Doesn't it look like bacon? Crunchy sausage strips is done. Smells so good. This is my first time making this recipe. I feel that this kind of crispy snack must have a stronger flavor to be delicious. Next time I make it, I will season it before baking. I think pepper, salt, and ketchup should also be good. I will show it to you again when I have the chance. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.